All right, and for the drug abuse group, I'm here to talk about the recommendation. Our recommendation overall is just pretty much short and sweet. It's just don't do drugs. Doing drugs overall is just not a good idea because of all the side effects it has, and the statistics that we have shown earlier in the presentation. But if you are struggling with drug addiction, the SAMHSA National Helpline is a 24-hour, 365 days a year information service that provides with two languages, English and Spanish. This helpline can refer individuals to local treatment facilities, support groups, and community-based organizations. The calls are also free of charge, so no one has to worry about being charged to get help. As well as patient information is confidential, they do not ask your name. At most, they will ask your zip code to find those support groups or any other referrals they give to help you. The link is in our presentation, and if you do, or I should say, if you are struggling with drug abuse, I highly recommend that for you. Yeah, thank you for listening.